transport omo car for almost say about to petrol into almost some about to transport fare by 20%. Almost by 20%
20% by Monday. By Monday cry and see I cry and say cry food and cry
what you say? Now all can I say I buy a warehouse. Now warehouse no musi no. Omo de Indiana begum ama food prices are very cheap. Why the catch on say Usi warehouse ama food price maybe Usi warehouse district Kaswa Usi warehouse wa Kaswa e for say na oye wa Kaswa
nje hu hia
e diane no be go faith baby da odi aba
nje hu hia.
Thank you.
Point I've been making me say it will not solve the problem or can say be diane boy cheap
but is it necessary?
Me yam analysis we are ube get to say necessary and say necessary because aduane na wo dey ba be go warehouse no no say e cheaper e wo village work na transport cost wo dey be famous answer na wo dey be go warehouse for no already ni boy dey da ana normal ye kra if you amanone ana wo dey ba be go mu nso a the moment a dollar ne bo na ye den no normally ne boy dey da because answer na MPP be ba be mo no now the dollar rate was 3 cedi 90 pesos to the dollar. Mumbai is a CR, it's in the excess of 5 cedi.
It was almost 4 cedis.
And 3 cedi 90 pesos is almost 4 cedis. 3 cedi 90 pesos.
4 cedis 20 pesos.
It was 3 cedi 90 pesos.
It was 4 cedis.
It was so 3 cedi 90 pesos was close to 4 cedis. Until Mumbai ye mo nya hwe kra no already no mode almost in excess of 1 cedi about betoso. Answer na car be fa de na fi port. Motor petrol muntino, the transport cost already, the cost of the items are already expensive.
Okay.
Okay, free SHS. Free SHS, that my year constitution. NDC na newa bemu. Tried Lieutenant Jerry John Rawlings na no air president. Your friend MPP for say, omumbra. Na say no ye amai no efi military rule to civilian rule. Nti ebe hiase ebe cho constitution na ya fe market edwadifo ya fe fitafo ya fe mason for Africa capitalfo mo MPP fo so mo mbra na mo fa mo adwen embe boa ne cho constitution omo say omo ya lawyer fo omo ya crache fo nti se NDC akwa fe market women so mo mbra na omo ne omo lawyer fo embe kana se cho constitution dia and omo ncho omo fa mo adwen ba
okay.
Nti constitution the 1992 constitution na you using a memo. It was written without the MPP. Now, in that constitution, the state said, in 10 years, our constitution will be operational. You implemented free universal compulsory education, FQ.
Okay.
In the constitution, and market women, they do much more. And said 10 years time, they get FQ.
And how many years now?
Now, after FQ, senior high school. And you're progressively free. That is in the wisdom of the constitution. And see, time we raise say, about the free SHS, no. And you tell say, constitution, no cross say, you're progressively free. Now, protect, fit preoccupy policy.
But Flight Lieutenant, how can I say, how many years no the year? How many years now?
The point I'm making is that free SHS has been captured by the constitution, and it was captured to be progressively free.
So is it wrong for somebody to use it?
It's wrong. Why? Because the challenges are not yet faced. Because schools are not here.
Okay. Okay.
Tell my report by tell my report. No, when you were talking about
allow him,
tell my report by says sanitation are a problem because of the way I'm suggestion now the Minister of Education by say instead of them going free range, they should use polythene bags. Martin Opoko Pempe and this suggestion say I'm going to implement free SHS. Students now bar pay so the facilities cannot contain them. Latrine baby, excuse me, baby, and so use polythene bags. the challenges we are facing today in our educational system, especially Free Senior High School, is as a result of rational implementing policy. No? Okay. Go to the schools and see. Our children are sitting on the floor. Before you be say no school, I saw blue, I saw green, I saw yellow. It is a yellow. I saw that was a green train.
Okay.
Say green saw, not yellow saw train. That is the reason why the Constitution says it should be progressively free. And if you are using free SHS as a social intervention policy, then you have failed. It's not a social intervention, it's a populist approach. And a populist strategy they are MPP for you should be a vote, but a backfire. Because if it should be a social intervention policy, you target the vulnerable poor. Say, why you the free range? Obia or yet MP. Obia or what companies bear 5. Send them back 10 crowd was secondary school or bet school fees.
But I don't know.
What I'm saying, the point I'm making is that if you someone come on, I'm saying if you are saying free SHS is a social intervention program, then you are failed.
Okay.
Because social intervention programs are meant to target the vulnerables.
Okay.
It is a say now who needs what to petrol boom. One more dollar boy ayedin. One more poverty I increase. Who needs our policies out there? What to do tax? A day I want to be bregan for now with the free SHS aba. Oh, into free SHS now the abano. Now what targeting the vulnerables? Then you focus and give them the free SHS, and those who can pay should pay. Okay. Then in that means you have enough of money to procure Ubenyesika at the third decks.
Okay.
Ubenyesika is in Danny Black. You understand? Okay, say health insurance. See, I mean, control. Say MPP forecast on health insurance buyer. And we know them. That's who they are. So in 1996, in Damongo, I have it on my phone right now. Where there is a photograph of Obiano Crack Health Insurance, and daily graphic at the time, captured Adokofo protesting in Parliament, said that freeze the health insurance NDC for the man. It will not help the economy. Okay. The point here is that NDC went out of government, MPP came, and they took the policy and they ran with it. They ran with it, they enrolled it on the national scale, and it was beautiful. Say, I buy ya the papa, I was here. Now, oh, yeah, na ya the boninswa, I was here then, I was here to make up. So, when NDC introduced it, they made it popular. And NDC came back again, and we came and we made it national in nature. Mutual health insurance, but it was a progress somewhere, and NDC came and NDC made it national health insurance. They introduced free maternal care, which was good. NDC they introduced free maternal care, which was good. They introduced school feeding program, which was good, even though at the time of school feeding program it was donor funded. Now you are buying funded. NDC now that donor contract has allowed. NDC, as government of Ghana, was financing the school feeding program from the budget of government.
Okay, now do I see how many?
It's a bit MPP, our Report Africa Watch the Abama, is very credible. Nana Adudankwa Akufo-Addo is very nervous. His popularity has waned. They say Ghana first swings you as one answer. Omo the mood. Mama will say MPP for promises somebody by now.